This is little Eidolon. She was found low on the ground by a cyclist who guarded her until I got there. She's been attacked by birds. Her eyelids have been pecked by birds and she's got a laceration across her cornea. She's had tiny fine little scratches over her nose and muzzle. Both eyelids are really sore. She's got a really dark little face, so it's actually quite hard to see. For a couple of days she was verging on the brink of death. She was almost in renal failure and she wasn't doing any wheeze. And then when I took her to euthanasia because she was in renal failure, she did an enormous wee on the table, on the vet's table. So it looks like she's actually decided she's going to live. She's still on a heap of drugs, antibiotics and pain relief, and her face swelling has gone down. Her face was so swollen it was about double the size that it is now. Poor baby. So you decided you're going to live, didn't you? And you're feeling a bit better? Good girl.